Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene. In today's video, we're gonna go over my first ever haul from Genre Parfums. If you wanna see what items I decided to pick up during the last order window, just stay tuned. All right, you guys, I am so excited to share this with you. I just received a few days ago my first package from Genre Parfums. This is a black-owned indie brand based out of Louisiana, and I heard they have wonderful perfumes. I joined their Facebook group. I love the group. They are hilarious, and I decided to pick up several fragrances from the house to give a try. In this particular video, I'm just going to haul these items. I'm going to give you the fragrance notes of them, but I will do dedicated videos to each of these scents after I do wear tests with them. I heard some of these are powerhouses and they are very good and have good longevity, which I love in the fragrance. If I'm going to buy a fragrance, I want to smell it. So first of all, before I get started on the fragrances, I want to comment on how it came shipped. It came shipped in this box like this. What they have is what you call order windows. And the last order window, I think, was 8 to 10 weeks. I can't remember exactly when I first was added to the group, which took a few weeks. So just keep in mind that it might take a little bit before you can get into the group if you decide to join the Facebook group. But saying all that to say this, they have order windows that you purchase these fragrances 24 hours. That's it. Once the window is shut, it's shut. So go ahead, and if you decide that you want to join the group, you want to get more information on some of the scents, it's ones on there that sell decants. The owner himself even sells some of the smaller sizes that if you want to try the scents out first, you can do that, which I think is a very good idea for him to do that. But the items came in that well-packaged box. I show you inside. It had a lot of bubble wrap, had the peanuts in there, and then the item came in these baggies that was inside of some more bubble wrap. So very well packaged. I really enjoy that. My particular order came through USPS Ground Advantage, but they have other options that you can do for shipping. And so let me tell you a little bit more about this. I loved what was on the back of this bag here, telling you more about the company. But Genre Parfums is the parent company of Louisiana Aromas and the Sentiment Fragrance House. It says it was established in 2013 in Lafayette. Well, that's how we say it over here in my state, but I don't know how they say it over there. But Louisiana, it was a small-scale passion project that begun to cultivate and bloom into what it is today. Devin Bro, I hope I'm saying his name right, owner and creative director, has always been passionate about perfume, from trying to wear the scratch and sniff samples from the magazines, which you know we all did that. If you like fragrance, we don't all rubbed our skins on the scratch and sniff samples. I thought that was cute. To buy several of our version of perfume sold in drugstore. The idea behind the Genre Parfums product is to provide to consumers that share the same passion a viable option for perfume. We follow some of the latest market trends with a close eye, which allows us to be a one-stop shop for many fragrance enthusiasts alike. Our goal is always top quality, low cost. And I'll go over some of the pricing in just a minute of the items. But if the fragrances are what they say they are, he got good prices for these fragrances, you guys. He says, we pride ourselves in making available some of the best compositions on the market, which as a result helps formulate some of the best and most memorable moments in life. Aspire, inspire, believe, achieve. The strategy that is the root cause in our growth, from humble beginnings to a humble future. We hope that you decide to grow with us. So that's what it has on there. And on the front, it says inspired through fragrance. And in this package comes your item. So it's just one of those packages like that. And I picked up, I gave myself a limit. I wanted to buy all the things, but I gave myself a limit. Some of the ones that I knew that I more than likely was, I went ahead and jumped up to a 30 mil versus just getting the 10 mils or whatever else. And then I got a couple of the 10 mils. Then I got a couple of the perfume serums. So I'll go over these with you. And let me tell you more about the order window or the pricing. So on the inspiration sets, you can get a 5 mil for $4, a 10 mil for $10, or you can get 3 for $25, a 30 mil for $25, a 50 mil for $45, a 60 mil for $35, and 133 mil for $75. And then on the perfume serums, it's 3 mil for $6, 8 mil for $15, and 30 mil for $45. That's not all the pricing, but that's most of the pricing information. And if you decide that you want to shop, genreparfums is the website for getting more information about that. So let's go ahead and get to the items that I actually picked up. So I got 2 10 mils. I got aquamarine here and waves of musk in a 10 mil. Okay, so waves of musk is actually supposed to be inspired by 2 different perfumes and blended together. So this is considered a unisex fragrance. It is inspired by MFK's Fluidity Silver and Initio's Musk Therapy. So MFK is a woody aromatic that has nutmeg, vanilla, juniper berries, amber woods, coriander seeds, and musk. And then Initio has bergamot, mandarin, white magnolia, blackcurrant, white sandalwood, white and pink musk. So this is supposed to be a blend of both of those. So a very musky fragrance. Hence it says waves of musk. And let me tell you guys, I pulled all these things out the packaging and they're already smelling. I haven't even opened these tops yet, except the one I just did. And something in here, if not all of them, are already smelling through it. And there is no leakage. There was no leakage. So I know something in here is definitely a powerhouse if it's not all of them. And that makes me very happy. I'm just saying. So that was Waves of Musk. And then the Aquamarine is also said to be a unisex fragrance. And it is inspired by Ex Nihilo Blue Talisman. And that one has bergamot, ginger, mandarin, pear, orange blossom, gorga wood, don't know what that is, akigala wood, which is a oud, musk, and abraphis. Yeah, that's what it says it has in it. So looking forward to trying that one. And I'm probably, a lot of these unisex ones, I'm going to probably get my husband to try them too, just to see what he thinks of them as well. So I'll keep you guys posted. Like I said, I'll do tests on myself and I'll let him test it too to see what he thinks about those. So the third one I picked up, these next ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 8 items I'm going to share with you guys are the bigger bottles, the 30 mil. So I got 30 mils of Mellow Vanilla. So Mellow Vanilla is supposed to be inspired by Mason Mataha's Escapade Gourmand. Sugarcane, vanilla, tonka bean, benzoin, and musk is the notes for that fragrance. The original fragrance. I am looking forward to trying this one. I'm looking forward to trying a lot of these, honestly. All of them, some a little more than others, because that group have, every time someone asks about recommendations, some of these are on the top list of a lot of them. So I'm hoping I feel the same way that they do. I love me some oriental vanillas and fruity florals and all the good jazz. So the next one that I pick up is actually one of the new releases that he had for this order window, which is the Copacabana. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. I've heard that few ones really love this, and then there's a couple of them that does not. The notes sound like I would like it, so we'll see. But like I said, I'll keep you guys posted on it. But this is supposed to be Juice Box Karaoke Heart inspired by version. This is considered also a unisex fragrance. It has some fruity woody scent that has pineapple, mango accord, lemon, peony, rum absolute, sandalwood, vanilla, lapdanum, aperonide, and ambroxan. So that's what the OG has in it. So Copacabana, I'm hoping that I will really like that one. So we'll see. The next one that I picked up was La Vanille in a 30 ml. Now this one is inspired by Guerlain's Vanilla Planifolia. This thing, the original OG scent, is over $600. Yes, $600. But this one has vanilla, spices, papa fats, amber, and musk. I hope I said that right. I wrote down that it was a sweet balsam because I had to look that up. But this is inspired by that scent. So I heard a lot of good things about this one. I'm hoping I will actually absolutely love it. The next one is Pineapple Passion. Pineapple Passion is supposed to be inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's Pineapple. This is considered a unisex fragrance on their site as well. And it's a floral fruity, has pineapple, Sicilian mandarin, jasmine, sambac, vanilla, absolute, ambergris, orchid, and tobacco. That is what is in the OG. So that's Pineapple Passion. And then the infamous, if you own the group, the infamous Fairy Dust is on here. So I couldn't not get this one. And this is supposed to be inspired by Narcotica's Happy Dust. And this has bourbon vanilla, mango, coconut water, mate, vanilla, brown sugar, matcha tea, amber, star jasmine, vanilla, tonka, sandalwood, white musk, and Peru balsam. That's what's in the OG. So we're going to see if Fairy Dust makes me as happy as it makes everybody else. We shall see. I'll keep you posted on that one. This one I was excited for because I do have the original of this one. The Minnie Mouse from House of Sillage is what A Century More is inspired by. So House of Sillage, Minnie Mouse. This, of course, is a woman's fragrance, and it has marshmallow, whipped cream, raspberry, caramel, coconut, vanilla, musk, cedar. A lot of people say they love this one more than they love the House of Sillage one, so I am going to definitely test the two together and give my thoughts on those two. The next one also that I was excited about is Positivo. I'll pick that one up. And Positivo is supposed to be inspired by House of Sillage Hufflepuff. And that is a floral fruity, which has Italian lemon, peach pulp, coconut cream, sambac jasmine, white freesia, gardenia, vanilla bourbon, cedar, and vanilla bean absolute. So I'm excited about this one as well. And the last 30 ml that I bought was Complexion, which is this one here. And complexion is inspired by Parfums de Marley Meloria. This is also considered women fragrance, and it is a floral green fragrance that's black currant, red berries, cassis, rose, lily of the valley, ylang ylang, musk, and vanilla. So definitely looking forward to that one as well. And the other two things that I picked up in my order, I gave myself a limit, guys. I wanted, like I said, I wanted it all. But I gave myself a limit. So I did pick up 2 of the 8 mils of the perfume serums. So I got praline musk. Let's see here. I got praline musk here. Praline musk is supposed to be inspired by Nishane Ani. And I got almond musk. I was really excited about this one. This is inspired by Killian Rolling in Love. Now, Killian Rolling in Love is almond musk, amberette, iris, freesia, heliotrope, raspberry, hedione, peony, tuberose, vanilla, tonka bean musk, lactones, and caramel. What you do with these is you actually put them in your lotion. I'm super excited about my order. Like I said, I gave myself a limit for this order window. The next order window should be within the next month and a half to 2 months or somewhere, but the way to find out is just to look at the website, shopgenre.com, and to keep yourself posted on those items. In the meantime, I will continue to try these out and keep you guys posted in future videos. If you have any genre perfumes, let me know in the comments what you have and what you like about it. Would you repurchase it? Is it one of your favorites? If you have a favorite, let me know what that favorite is. Like I said, this is a new Black-owned indie brand for me, and I'm super excited to try out their fragrances. They're very affordable, and if they're powerhouses like they say they are, I know I'm going to really enjoy that. So give me the deets. I'm new to it, so if you got the details, drop it down below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And other than that, thank you guys for watching, and see you soon. Bye.